Okay, hold on. Let's take a break for 1 second and talk about doom scrolling, please. Jesus is the best. It's your boy MoFresh. You ever just open your phone for one notification and suddenly it's 40 minutes later? You're just deep in the comment sections going in on a TikTok video about some sea otter who stole someone's kayak. All those crazy videos, I'm all in the comment sections. I'm all in. And our phones, to be honest, nowadays, it's wild because they track our steps. They remind us to breathe, remind us to wake up for work. We listen to them even when we actually don't want to. And they listen to us even when we don't want to. And they're literally glued to our hands like they're paying rent. They ain't paying nothing. But it's a part of our life now. But here's the thing. We just can't let the phones be our life. I'll explain. When we wake up and scroll, we lay in bed telling ourselves, okay, just one more video, or okay, after 2 videos, then I'm going to sleep. And suddenly the sun's coming up. Have you ever been there? I've been there way too many times to count. And it's okay. You're not lazy. You're just overwhelmed. And we're overstimulated. We're tired of being tired. But somehow, we just can't look the other way. I've been there. And this video isn't about how I'm better and how you suck. But this video is about us together coming up with a way to take hold of our lives. So I've been trying something new lately. Instead of scrolling, I'll take some time, I'll play the game, or make some tea. Nothing fancy, just some water, a mug, and a couple quiet minutes. Just to breathe. Just to breathe again.
Because it's hard to find the coast when taking our time. I'm tired of all the promises lost, cause we only got once. Yeah, wake up every morning, thank the Lord that I'm handsome. Gotta thank God, cause my wife got standards. Wake up every morning, thank the Lord. Gotta thank God that my wife got standards. Spent all my rent, summer off in the Hamptons. Pitched up my tent, summer soft in a hammock. Pinched by a splint, stuck up in my hand mitts. Can't make a wince cause my wife will panic. Yeah, that's a cool story for you Maury lovers. Drama suckers writing a bunch of letters to the Rockefellers. But you gon' hear some sorries in the media. I'ma take my wife to Expedia because it's hard to find the coast when taking our time. Yeah. I'm tired of all the promises lost cause we only got once. Yeah, wake up every morning, thank the Lord that I'm handsome. Gotta thank God cause my wife got standards. Wake up every morning, thank the Lord. Gotta thank God that my wife got standards. Hold me when I need you there.
Yo, if this video hits you in any way, shape, or form, drop a like, comment, and most importantly, share this video so that more people can be enlightened and get some better tips on how to deal with doom scrolling. Again, guys, Jesus is the best. It's your boy MoFresh. I think it's time to make that tea. Dang, that's some good tea.